Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial for the Gmail. Today I'm going to show you how to archive or unarchive any email in your Gmail account. So let's go to Gmail. So in your inbox, if you want to archive any email, let's say this one, just right click on it and press archive. Okay, this email will not be shown in your inbox anymore. So you can see archived emails in all email tab. Okay, this is the email that we have archived. In case if you want to unarchive the archived email, then right click on it and press move to inbox, and then this email will be again shown in your inbox. Okay guys, this is a very straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.